It's Bonnie. Happy Monday. Okay, I got one more video for you guys today, and then I'm going to, I might do a couple of YouTube shorts, but hopefully tomorrow I am fully recovered from this cold. But oh my goodness, you guys, we got to talk about Bath& Body Works Vanilla Bean Noel. I got my hands on this over the weekend. This is the new packaging for Christmas. It is beautiful. It's going to be faceted, but what's interesting, like the mist is faceted. So this is the winter candy apple. Look at it. It's beautiful. And then there's going to be twisted peppermint. There's going to be golden berry mistletoe, which we got to talk about more, but this is going to be the shower gel. And then the cream is going to look like this. This one has like little presents all over it. And then, winter candy apple has apples, and then I think twisted peppermint has just little peppermint. It's so cute. I gotta say, this is my favorite packaging from like years. I mean, seriously, I love the packaging. It's so pretty in person. It just gives off a really nice Christmas vibe. It's subtle, it's classy, it's pretty. I don't know, I'm digging it. So, as many of you know, Vanilla Bean Noel has been around forever. It's the flagship with Winter Candy Apple. These two are always around. And then Twisted Peppermint always comes in. Sometimes they put Twisted Peppermint in another collection, but it's usually those three. In the past couple of years, we have had a Vanilla Bean no smell problem, meaning that it's been very light. This year, I am feeling that this actually does have a pretty strong smell. I mean, I only have it in the cream. So Vanilla Bean Noel is, oh my gosh, I can't read this. Fresh vanilla bean, warm caramel, sugar cookies, whipped cream, and snow-kissed musk. So it's basically a beautiful vanilla scent, a little caramel. And what I like about it is you don't get a lot of like the extra stuff. It's one of my favorite vanillas from Bath & Body Works. It's funny because I have a cold today and I can still smell it. What does that say? It's saying we don't have Vanilla Bean no smell this year. I was so excited. It was funny because on the way home in the car, my husband was driving and I'm like putting this all over. I'm like, oh my goodness, could we actually have a Vanilla Bean Noel that's pretty good? I don't know what the mist is going to smell like. The shower gel and the scrub is usually always pretty good. It's usually the cream, the lotion, and the mist that is a little bit off. I thought Marshmallow Pumpkin Latte was really good this year. I actually thought they had improved it. So I'm kind of wondering if they are improving some of their formulas. So I'm actually so far pretty happy with this one. We're supposed to be getting it in the shapeable soap. I think there's going to be a body butter, a bath fizzy, obviously like a hand cream and a candle and a hand soap, wallflower plug-ins, car fragrance refills. All of that is going to be rolling in. So you could literally get probably about like 20 items in Vanilla Bean Noel. I've always loved the candle. Sometimes it is a little bit on the light side, but I'm hoping, again, this year, they fixed the formula a little bit. What I do like about this year is I'm really getting that rich vanilla bean smell in this one. I gotta say, that was the first thing I noticed. It smells so good. It just has that wonderful Christmassy vanilla bean that like you crave every year when Vanilla Bean Noel comes out. So I'm not calling it Vanilla Bean No Smell this year yet. We're still gonna wait on this, but I'm hopeful. And like I said, the packaging this year, I think people are going to be really excited. I also feel like it's interesting that today Bath & Body Works is doing the 60% off fall. We are definitely moving into Christmas. So a lot of people are asking, when does Christmas arrive? I'm hearing two dates, the 23rd and the 28th, which is, let me see, the 23rd is a Monday, and then the 28th is like Saturday. So we could see Christmas showing up online. You never know. They could do a pop-up shop online. But if you're really, really wanting Christmas, I would say for sure by like the 23rd and the 28th, we should start seeing a lot of the Christmas stuff arriving both online and in store. So anyway, I'm excited this year. I'm loving Winter Candy Apple. I think the packaging is beautiful. And this golden berry mistletoe. I'm gonna actually use this in the shower. Maybe I'll use this today and do a review. That's a new one coming. So lots of Christmas to be excited about. I will see you guys later. Bye bye.